Hi, my name is Sequoia Lindsey. I'm 43 years old. I entered at Ballard Rehab Center 10 days ago. I had an emergency spinal surgery. When I entered in, only thing I could do is lay down. I couldn't get up, walk on my own. After leaving now and working with such great nurses, it's too many to name, but they're all fun. They're very animated. They're gonna make your stay here great. They push you. If you want it, they're there for you. Now as I'm leaving, I'm able to stand up. I'm able to walk. I'm able to shower on my own. I can get dressed on my own. And I know that my journey is gonna be successful because they have pushed me. I had some bad days where I wanted to cry, but at the end of the road, they were there for me. My knees buckled because I have bad knees, and they're so quick to respond to you. It was like she caught me before I even realized my knees were buckling. They're just amazing here. And when I have my next surgery, I'm praying that I get to come back here because I know I'll heal great. Thank you. I'd like to give a shout out to all my PT and my OT. Emily, she was amazing. Richard, he's really funny. Mary, she's funny and she will push you. Steven, I think I'm saying his name correct. Oh, he will push you. And there's a few more, but I can't remember their names, but they're all awesome. Thank you for being there for me.